To sign up for a US TikTok account on an Android phone, the process is similar. Let's watch this tutorial video for more details. First of all, you need to prepare these things. An Android phone. Remember to remove the SIM card. VPN to change your IP address to the USA. I'm using NordVPN. You can use any VPN service you prefer. Email. In previous video, I recommend you use Gmail or Outlook. Using a temporary or disposable email may lead to a suspended account. Make sure that the email hasn't been used to register for TikTok before. Once you're prepared, let's proceed with the steps to create a US TikTok account. First, log out of all TikTok accounts on your device and delete the app. Go to the settings on your phone to change the language, region, and time zone. Depending on your device settings, find the language section and switch to English. Choose the United States as the region and set the time zone to Los Angeles. Next, open the VPN app and change your IP address to the United States. After establishing the connection, go to ipfighter.com to check. If it shows the country as the United States, you're good to go. The next step is to clear the cache of the Google Play Store before downloading TikTok. Go to Settings, find the Google Play Store app, and clear the cache. Once that's done, download TikTok on your device and sign up for a new account using your email as usual. After creating the account, how can you confirm it's a US TikTok account? Go to the Creative Tools section, select Promotion, and see if the currency displayed is in dollars, dollar symbol, or if the videos shown are from the United States. That concludes the instructions on how to create a TikTok account in the United States on an Android phone. You should warm up your account for about 1 to 2 days before posting videos. Just browse and follow others. However, avoid following too many accounts continuously, as TikTok might flag your account as spam. Once you reach 10,000 followers, you can start earning money. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful videos.